Together with our Lola.
Requesting Sir Nan John to please sit down lang special day. Alright, Sir John, anong mahambal mo sa surprise birthday nila sa inyo?
Paano ito? Ito nakibot siya. Wow! Grabe ka price na.
Sabi ko, may kaduan ako yung plan. Kasi dali ako pindala. Thank you, man.
Thank you lang, wala yan. Ay! Sarin lang. May bata. Okay. Alright, that is time guys. Once again, hello and jolly afternoon everyone. And welcome here at Jollibee Abiakino Drive-Thru to celebrate Mr. Ken John birthday celebration. I'm your host, Kuya Dan, and together with me is Ate Abby, and we will join you this afternoon that's full of fun, learnings with love, and forever. Everyone, palakpakan naman dyan! There we go, grabe. Isang kamay lang kita sa 75 ang tunog sa klaso. Grabe ang energy dito sa mga. Alright, before we start our program, I would like to encourage you everyone to please wear your party hats as well as your name tag, so by that, we know each other by name. Alright, kids, as a reminder, kind of listen to Kuya Dan because later on I will tell you a story. And by that, I will ask you a question regarding sa Donya's story. Ayan, kung sino na karoon wala nagpamati bata man o kunti gulang masaot dali sa tubang isa-isa. Ayan, total gamay na lang manta. Magwata ko sa ano. Talent portion na dali ka. Okay. Okay guys, listen up because here comes our story. Okay everyone, take note that Jollibee has 4 friends. Ayan, si Jollibee po ay may 4 na kaibigan. And their names are Hattie, Popo, Twirly, and Yum. Jollibee together with his friend Hattie, Popo, Twirly, and Yum entered into a new adventure park. Here we will let you experience fun, creativity, and imagination, where anything in your hands makes us wonder. Together, we will explore the Jollytown theme park, where we can play games, storytelling, and eat our Jollibee's favorite. And we realize that discovering, learning, and playing with friends can also be fun and memorable. Okay naman guys, here comes our first question. Ayan, tanong agad tayo. Wait lang, Ate Abby. Hindi ka takpan, dito wala ito pumati. Ma'am, pangalan. Ikaw din ang itanong yung busy, no? Magkatek siguro, nakasalad yung balay na lipatan ko lang ano. Ma'am, pangalan. Ma'am Michelle, ano ang talent? Wala sa talent, ganda lang, ganda lang. Oh, ganda lang. Share lang ma'am, kaya as what I said earlier, Jollibee has 4 friends. Can you name one of our Jollibee's Jolly friends? Si Hattie, very good. Ayan, di na lang cellphone ka lang po, nagpapamati ba? Okay, 3 more, sino pa? Yes. Wala naman ko din yung phone kung tata. Karoon. Okay, yes, Kumikert. Si Yang, very good. Wala ko nabatian ng ulit ni Mami. Yes. Okay, yes, ma'am. Si Twirly, very good. And last one, sino ito? Sino ito? Popo, very good. Ayan, pati ito, utik ni Ate Abby. Oo. Bias ka. Okay, Jollibee together with his friend, Hattie, Popo, Twirly, and Yum are really excited for that one of our birthday boys, Sir Ken. Kaya naman, they get excited to prepare the party booths, designing the games for everyone to enjoy. Alright, once again guys, listen up because here comes their talent. Ayan, of course, our Jollibee Talent friends have their own talent. Ayan, so first we have Hattie. Hattie will glam us up with her fabulous vanity kit. Ayan, si Hattie pa yung tutulong sa atin para ma-enhance ang ating beauty using her fabulous vanity kit. Ayan, ganda ni Mom, pero walang talent. Okay, second we have Popo. Popo will coach us with his sports skills. Ayan, si Popo naman po yung magaling sa sports, any kind of sport. So third, we have Twirly. Ayan, Twirly will teach us with her latest dance move. Ayan, si Twirly, akala mo ganda din. Ayan, si Twirly po yung tuturo sa atin ng sayaw. In fact, si Twirly po yung nag-choreograph o gumawa ng sayaw nila ni Jollibee. Alright, so last we have Yam. Yam will let his latest invention and gadgets. Ayan, si Yam naman po yung maghilig mag-invento pero hindi po ng istorya. Ayan, si Yam po yung mahilig sa mga gadgets. In short, si Yam po ay mahilig sa science. Ayan, so alam naman natin kung sino-sino at kung ano-ano ang talent ng ating Jollibee's Jolly Friends. Ang tanong, okay, kung sa pihak may nadakpan, ikaw lang din sa pihak, tay. Wala kang pagkakamate. Isa ka lang yung tao, kasi wala nang makita sa iba. Okay, sir. Tito, sorry. Tito, ito, sino Hindi nagpat ako Okay, sir, pangalan mo na. Ano? Len. Ay, talento ka na lang. Gabay, talent. Ate, hindi mo nakabike. Dari ka ba natin kabike? Okay, sir, kung wala kang kapamate, kung hindi mo din masabat, kung masabat mo din, tagaan ka prize. Pero kung hindi mo din siya masabat, ikaw mabayad sa remaining balance ni sir. Hindi ka rin din. Okay, pwede. Okay, sir, alam naman natin kung sino-sino at kung ano-ano ang talent ng ating Jollibee's Jolly Friends. Ang tanong, ano kaya ang ginagawa ni Jollibee sa ating Jolly Kitchen right now? Nagluluto is correct! Congratulations to the Jollibee! Well prepared for us! The best food in town! Experience for yourself the happiest place to be! Your Jolly Town Theme Park! Ayan, di sana ako magdalagin utan na ako. Okay. Adjust ka. Ay! Mga brilliant, kinita rin, naara sa inyo. Ayan. May requesting. Okay, at this time, guys, requesting everyone to please all stand for our opening prayer to be led by Ma'am Michelle.
Okay, let's bow down our heads in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Heavenly Father, on this special day for Camp John, we come before you with a grateful heart. Thank you for the gift of life, for every blessing, every lesson, and every moment that brought us to this day. Lord, we pray that this new year will be one growth, peace, and purpose. May you guide our steps, strengthen our spirit, and fill our life with love. Open doors that are meant for us, close those are not in your plan. Grant us wisdom to make good decisions, courage to face challenges, and faith to trust your timing. Bless our family, our work, and our relationship, and may we channel of kindness, compassion, and hope to others. Protect our health, renew our strength, and surround us with your favor. Thank you, Lord, for your constant presence in our life. As we celebrate John's birthday, we give you praise for all that has been and trust you for all that is gone. In Jesus' precious name, amen.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Michelle, for that very meaningful and soulful prayers of yours.
Ihip ng hangin ay nag-iba. Dating nahihiyak, tinatanggi. Ngayon taas noong pinagmamalaki.
Alright, so at this time they have witnessed his transformation from the time he was born up to this day. They get excited to bring the best out of their son-in-law, Mr. Ken. Let us all welcome our proud parents and proud girlfriend, Mommy Michelle and Mom Julia. Please give them a big round of applause, please. Together with our birthday boy, Sir Ken. Ayan. Sili ko tayo ba nakto, kung ba't ako tayo din mo, parang ka-expect para ko makabi. Okay. Iwan, take to. Para may 3. Upod ka na lang, sir, dito. Kita sa sagwa. Ayan. Para may 3. Oo. Ato na balik ko si Maya sa bangko. Ayan. Oo. Para scripted. Kami scripted. Okay lang naman. Dara na lang sila sa bertahan. Sila na pagpagwapag-in-on sa po. Okay, once again, they have witnessed his transformation from the time he was born up to this day. They get excited to bring the best out of their son-in-law, Mr. Ken. Let us all welcome. Son-in-law yan. Let us all welcome our proud parents and proud girlfriend, Mom Michelle, and together with her girlfriend, Mom Julia, together with our birthday boy, Sir Kent. Ay, hey, pare-pare, sorry.
Happy birthday!
Hey. Okay, picture taking ko na. Okay, thank you so much, Mom Michelle and Sir. Okay, so at this time, our celebration here at Jollibee is always fun. Kaya naman to make that happen, we prepared some few questions para sa inyo, Sir and Ma'am Julia. Ayan. Ma'am Julia, are you excited na po ba sa ating question and answer portion? Ayan. Are you excited na po ba sa ating question and answer, Ma'am Julia?
Basta wala lang, ma.
Na-remind ako. Pero excited ka na?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, wala ka na. Sara ka na doon sa tubo. Okay.
The pressure right
Ay, full of memory. Okay, kung yes na yes si Ma'am, si Daddy siya po na una, pamakot to. Si Daddy, sorry na Daddy. Si Sir Ken pala, si Sir Ken. May Daddy na. So, hoy. Okay, ihatag ang bahay ko Ma'am kay Sir Ken. Ayan. Sorry sa mga words nga. Okay, sir. Pumasabat mo na yung ako pamangkot, may prize ka ulit. Halin sa amo na yung ati-ati. Pero kung hindi mo ni siya masabat, duplihon ko ang remaining balance ninyo dito sa Jollibee. Is it deal or no deal? Deal ba ito? Pinamalaman. Okay. Like for example, sir. What is the square root of 8,742? Try lang sir, wala man ko kabalos ng sabat. Gitry ko lang, kasi mo wala, kung ano naman ko na. Okay sir. The question is, hindi mo nasita. Okay. What are the places po ba na that you like to spend more time with your family or with your girlfriend o Julia?
Japan.
Japan na. Basta dyan pang Socorro lang. Japan ni Jaya. Okay, dream place nyo na. Okay. Pero ato na ka ba? Siya lang. Okay. Pero kung dito sa city, sir, dito mostly nagkakadto. Sa Anytime Fitness. Pero kung magkaot ka mo, sir, din ka mo kakadto, tadlunga lang sa bat. Jollibee! Jollibee, sir! Oo. Basta na kayo Anytime Fitness, ako na manok dyan, kung ginakaon. Ayan. Oo. Taga-atakal 0% discount. Okay, next naman is para kay Ma'am Julia. Ma'am Julia. Sana all. Okay, Ma'am Julia. Ilang taon na po ba kayo na sir? Uy, Okay, ano na lang Ma'am Julia, message niyo sa imong mga boyfriend subong. Okay, Sir Ken, kay iya nga birthday subong. Ano ang imong mga birthday wish or birthday message na lang? Pre. Oh, wala ko na. Grabe, nakaka-touch yun ah. Okay.
Happy birthday, Tani. Maglawi ko.
Grabe yun. Grabe yung reaction.
Grateful good ko because you are very, very patient and very loving and very ma-effort and wala ba abay mo pasensya. Wala na. And I wish you everything that you deserve.
Wow. Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Julia. Once again, guys, palakpakan naman para sa ating birthday boy. Okay, again, our celebration here at Jollibee is always fun. Kaya naman to make that happen, we will teach you our unique way of acknowledging by giving a Jollibee clap. Again, guys, when I say sa Jollibee, bidang saya, we clap our hands once and we'll say, yay! Again, when I say sa Jollibee, bidang saya, we clap our hands once and we'll say, yay! Okay lang the test your listening skills. At this side, sa Jollibee, bidang saya. Sarap! Tag-limit na mataan, pero okay. Sir, when I say sa Jollibee, bidang saya, we clap our hands once and we'll say, yay! Hindi masarap! Tanawin ko na yun. Okay, again, sa Jollibee, bidang saya! Yay! At this side, ari pa lang gani sila, ito ang maglabi mo. At this side, sa Jollibee, bidang saya! Yay! The party has just started. Then we'll have a way to boost your excitement and the experience that we have prepared for you. So kids, come on in and let's play some games. Ayan, it's a game time! Ayan. Ayan, bigod wala kami lumata. Okay! Okay, our first game is what we call Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What at time. Okay, ang ato nyo first game is para rin siya tanan sa mga bata. Isip bata, kung bata. Ayan. Tanan pwede get ka-joy. And of course, sa mga mommies da, pakiprepare na lang sa inyong bag or wallet ka ba si Aladira. Kasunod ang ako, pinapakita. Okay, so first item. Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What I Want A. Before nyo ni siya ihatag sa ako, need nyo ni siya ubahon. Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What I Want A. One pair of socks, isa ka pares ng medyas, and 5. Oy, 4. One pair, pares! Pares! That's it! Grabe! Congratulations, ma'am! Dali mo pag inubag yun. Doon na huya naman mga bata, sipo. Okay, next item. Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What I Want A. Pero nyo ni siya ginakaptan aga ito hapon bisan sa pagtulog. Wala ka, sir. Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What I Want A. Cellphone charger! Cellphone charger! Cellphone charger! Cellphone charger! Ayun! Thank you! Grabe! Grabe! Bako yan ako yung baan nyo. Okay, but wala pa gumgong gasot ako dito. Okay, next item. Jollibee Once or Jollibee Give Me What I Want A. Guwapa ka lula! Guwapa ka lula in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! And 1.5, 1/4, 1/3. Okay. So, ang nanalo is si Ma'am. Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am. Of course, nagaan mo na ito. Ito niya isang kalula. Di ba ito yung gold ba yan? Alright, nangyayari mga price listahan sa utang nila. Sige.
May guwapa ka man niya, Lula.
Ah. Okay, next item naman.
Jollibee, Jollibee. Pay.
Jollibee wants or Jollibee give me what I want A. I need 5. Valid ID. Valid ID. What is the one ID? Ma'am, ay doon naman pinahita. Okay, isa. Isa, kuha ma'am. Ma'am, isa lang ID, isa katawa. Thank you so much. Okay, may tama si Sir Go. Sino pa? Apat pa lang. I need more. Okay, 5. Sino pa? Wala na. Wala na. Okay, thank you so much everyone sa tanan niya naghatag sa ID. Later lang ang aton nga price kay in-order pa na sa Imperial. In-order pa na sa Imperial ang iyong mga price. Ha? Depende ba si Pichel o ba mo? Okay, over ko na rin dyan sa first game. How about naman sa second game? Okay, Ate Abby, what is our next game?
Alright, our next game is what we call It's All About our celebrants' favorite. Dili na mabalaan kung sino giman ang truly nga nakakilala kay Sir Ken or nagkatulang di
Para vlog! Hindi lain to si Mama Kaliel. Okay.
Alright, our first question. What is Sir Ken's favorite food? Favorite food ni Sir Ken? Si Julia!
Hey! Ay, wala! Tungkol na to. Hindi mo ito yung pagkaon mo ng Julia. Suya, hindi mo na ba? Problema mo mamay. May problema ka na. Pagkaon naman ginanamin. Lain mo yan.
Nalipatan.
Okay, next question natin, Abby.
Alright, next question. What is? Dali na natin sa next question. Kayo nasagot. Next question. What is Sir Ken's favorite hobby?
Jim! Oh, very good, sister. Wala ka kapayaw. Alis ka. Oh, sige. Jim! Uy, nakagin na ito bata, ano? Ito lang ibento mo. Dahil ko, Asia. Kaya kaya lang pa yun, lugi ka niya. Okay, next question naman. What is... Kuya Ken, doon ako maan mo sa next question. Paano yung sabat ba lang? Panungdom na na natin, Abi, ang pati ko makat. Oo,
What
nakatagay
is
sa tuba.
Sir Ken's favorite color?
Why?
Favorite color?
Ay,
Why?
gusto yung magdala-dala. Bansa. Oo, yes.
Color
Sir Black. Wow, thank you so much. Tinamaan mo din. Okay. Okay, proceed naman kita. Kung sa diin. Sa diin. Gil, bata ang aton birthday boy. Di ba wala akong kapal, no?
Tandaan mo lang. Tandaan mo.
Try lang next
Tandaan
question
mo.
naman. Sa diin. Ginbunyagan. Ang aton... Tumakbot mo sa... Oo, buwas nila kasabtongin. Ba, yung kamagkamangkutan. Okay, dali lang yata. Ano ang full name sa aton nga birthday boy? First name, second name, last name, and birthday name. Yes, kakaiba. Yes, ikaya nga lang. Hindi siya pwede kasabat.
John Garcia.
Jealous. Is that correct, sir? Jealous. Kilos. Sila kilos. Gilos. Ano ang to, ma'am? Yes.
John Garcia.
Gilos. Gilos.
Gilos.
Gilos. Ah. Kapila pa sa lipot sa lajak. Pungoy. Ayan. Pero sa tagaan ko ha. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next. San o ang mansari ni Ma'am and Sir Ken? Ano? Yes, ari na wala pa talaga. Kala bayaw ka, baka angay kita ko. Wala picture ka gaya. Balik ka na. Pagka, may tutukan lang.
March 14.
O, dito ba, TV? Hindi naman makbota lang kayo mo. Dito ba, TV? Okay. Saan ma'am? March, ano? Basta March. March, is it correct comment, sir?
March 14, 2024.
March 14, is it correct? Ay, wala. Okay, next. Ano ang call sign ni Ma'am Julia and Sir Ken? Wow, magalang. Nagkalit niya no. Pero kami, may nagkalapitata ka to. Okay, sakto naman to. Dali lang. Dali to. Okay, yes.
Babe.
Spell.
B-A-B.
Ay, kabalusog. Alam. Is it correct, ma'am? Ay! Tao ka. Alright, congratulations! Alright, thank you so much, everyone. And that's all about our birthday boy favorites. Okay, next naman. Kaproceed naman kita sa adults. Ay, doon puro may adults. Okay, sino gusto mag-join sa ating next game? Tanan ka mo. Okay. Wala mo siya po. May iba nun ko din. Kasi matang yata kayo, hindi siya ang ma-join. Di ko lang ka ba na kung hindi wala ka rin. Di ba? Okay, first we have Ma'am May. Mayshell. Alright. Ma'am May. Mayshell, pasapog ka. Okay, next is si Sir. Sir John. Yeah, sir. Kanto na rin sa tuba. Kung hindi ka mag-join, kawat ka rin mag-okay. Char lang. Okay, next is si Ma'am Miriam. Defensor. Okay. Okay, next is si Ma'am Michelle. Okay, next is si Ma'am Mayna. Ma'am Mayna. Ma'am Michelle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Dito po, lowis na tanan. Alam ako dito lokat to sa tubang. Ikaw, ma'am. Ikaw. O, si nanay lang. Nanay lang dito na bilis. Sino may enjoy yun? Yes. Kamo ang main character sa buong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Mga ano sila, mga sangre. Si Adamus. Okay, so our next game is what we call SOS game. Ang mechanics ng ato na game, basta kita dali sa sagwa. Okay, so before we start, yung pinakandar ng aircon sagwa. Medyo lamig na. Wala na kamo sa Hatoria. Okay, before kita mag-proceed sa sagwa, ang pangalan ng inyong team? Ano? Dahil dito yung mga dome niya, Team Buok. Ba't na rin Team Uswang? Ano?
Team Marupo.
Ba't ikaw ya? Ikaw lang, hindi ka bang damay? Oh, may ari na sila yung ikaw yung wala din mo. Charis lang. Okay, Team Marupo and Team Buok. Wow, grabe. Puro ok ang punta. Ay, maan. Okay, dito kita guys, so start sa sagwa. Okay, form a single line dito sa pihak, ang Team Buok and Team Marupok dito sa pihak na side. Okay, sino mapap ng balon? Sino mapap? Ikaw, sir. Ikaw mapap. Ikaw sa last person. Okay, sabi direct sa ato niya game. Hindi ikaw no. Safe ka ma'am. Okay, amin direct sa ato niya game. Paulam ako na niyo sa balon. Isa ba may kabot kita sa balon? Mas pwede kita sa SOS game o sauce na bala. Okay, padalagan kita sa tubag sa bangko. And mas pwede sa SOS gamit ang hawak. Isa pa, S. Then malibot sa chair and ipasa naman sa next player. And ang next player sa iba ng himuon, pero ang last person sa iba ng obrahon, pero pag libot niya sa bangko, ipap ang balon, pungkuan, bawal ko si Oy. Okay, yes, SOS 9. Oo, dapat spelled ang S and O and S. Sample. Ay, pag-apon, buto yan na, kung na tayo, ano, OSS? Diba? Pero ka naman. Okay na to, wala mo. Okay na to, wala yan, natutukan. Okay, next. How? Okay, Mama, are you excited? Are you ready? Ready. Madaong na, pwede mo kusakan. Okay, ang aton nga. Dog. Sige na, inaya, pag-ibot, inaagit namon. Wala nung katako sa lawas mo, wala kang gawal sa tingog ko. Grabe, wala ko na-inform, ang bal mo, dog. Papi, tanya kinabal mo, kina. Ay, ang bal ko man. Kahit tahon, hindi pagpahugas. Diba mo? Ay, may anak pa ang alas. Pabalong ko sa'yo na, bilang ngom mo. Oo. Oo, kanta na. May sari ko si mo, may sari ko si mo.
Happy birthday.
Ay, babe. Ang ano, rabbit. Ano tong muling sa rabbit na ginaw? Okay. Okay lang. Go. Okay yan. Alright, so first, si Sir ang mga ano, si Sir ang mag-decide kung sino ang matinakaw namin magkanta sa ila. Or else, babati kita sa audience impact. Pramilya mo lang ako. Natulog na. Okay, putisingan natin. Mas-start kita sa aton niya cat. Diba, walang support pa rin. Palakpakan niyo naman guys. Sa aton niya goat. Or sa aton niya cow. Ay, grabe. Or sa aton niya hindi pa, ano pa niya? Sa aton niya dog. Or sa aton niya rabbit. Paiya na nakita yung palakpak. Hindi pa siya sure na, hindi lang. Alright, so tanan nagdaog, kay tanan nagpalakpak. Okay, baklay na lang sa inyong prize, guys. Para siguro. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nay, gusto vlog ka na sa pusher, nipper. Ka-cutex din. Okay, ay. Alright, thank you so much everyone sa tanan niya nag-join. Alright, that's it, guys. Do you remember your favorite meals here at Jollibee? Ay, yan. Isa lang ako doon sa tala. Iba din ka magkakaon sa McDo. Nagkis kami dito kami ng kaon. Ano na, Jollibee lang. Okay guys, if you remember, ano itong it's made of 100% real beef with 100% flavorful sauce.
Hamburger.
Yes,
Hamburger.
hamburger sa ano?
Burger steak.
Okay, hamburger. Burger sa ano? Burger steak. Okay, next. Ano naman ito? Cheesiest, meatiest, sweet sarap. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Ayan. Again, yes ma'am. Nilulo. Oo mga ako. Sige.
Ano?
Okay, again guys. Ano ito? Cheesiest, meatiest, sweet sarap. Yes ma'am. Cheesiest, meatiest, sweet sarap. Cheeseburger is wrong. Kanina ka pa hindi ko pinatapos ka ng tao. Spaghetti is correct. Ayan, ari na nasagot na si ma'am. Alright, because you remember your favorite meals here at Jollibee. It's lang hap sarap na Ate Abi. Alright, so guys, we'll serve you a food and magbabalik kami kasama ang ating special guest. Because that you enjoy your favorite meals here at Jollibee, and of course to celebrate with us, we have a very special guest. Ayan, so kaya naman guys, let's all welcome up the one who prepared for us the best food in town, or your friend, my friend, our jolliest best friend, coming in, Jollibee! Everyone say hi to Jollibee! Ayan, and Jollibee, I would like to introduce Jollibee are making great our very big boy, third hand, and of course, si Ma'am Julia, ang girlfriend ni third hand. And of course, ang proud Mommy Michelle. Okay. Hey, guess ko na karon. Okay. Jollibee, I see that you have a gift para sa ating birthday boy. Nasaan yung gift mo, Jollibee? Sabi kayo na Jollibee. Isa na ko lang ako kabalo. Galing nga, diyaw. Talaga, okay, Jollibee. Pwede mo lang ibigay. Ay, sir, ang okay. Alright, ano pa ka naman pa natin Jollibee? Okay, Jollibee. Aside sa gift, present mo sa ating birthday boy. Ano ito Jollibee? Ano ito Jollibee? Okay, aside sa present Jollibee, ano bang ipipwede mo kaya kay Sir Ken? Sir Ken, ano yung gift mo? Matulog si... Matulog! Ay, wala may nagpalakpak!
Dance! Dance!
Paano ba Jollibee? Paano ba Jollibee? Ayun! Okay, paano si Jollibee? Hey! Ako prepare na dance number si Jollibee para sa ating gano'n. Ayun guys, are you excited? Yes! Pero so welcome ang bida ng siya, Jollibee!
Sumasayaw sa tuwa, kanya ang feeling, at pag-ibig ang saya.
Now, again, palakpakan naman para kay Jollibee. Wow! Alright, thank you so much, Jollibee, for the very energetic dance move. Ayan, kailangan, nauna Jollibee dito at this time. Apat na nakatudlong ini. Apat na nakatudlong ini mo, Jollibee. Guys, you want more? You want more? No more. May diabetic sa Jollibee. Sorry lang. Okay, so this is a request of Sir Kent and Julia. Dito sa ito ba? Opo dito muna, hindi kompleto. Para bagay, hindi ano bang tawad ni Sir?
Jollibee!
Julia. Very good, sinasabay. Okay, so guys, join us to sing a jolly birthday para sa ating birthday boy. Alright, everybody, clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, guys, Buster.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday. Yay, yay. Happy birthday, Julia Pence! Ayan! Ay, kagina, sir. Subok na kuya naman. Kagina dati. Ano ba yung nasunod man? Ba't dito? Okay. Okay, sir. Before we blow ang kanila na cake, birthday wish or birthday message na lang para sa ibong kaugalingan.
I wish ko lang
Wala pa gani sa libid. Wala pa akong pisay. Wait lang.
ko lang good health. Dabo ang papagin ko lang dati sa libid.
Correct!
Thank you sa video.
Kulit ko dyan. Right?
Peter, Jollibee!
Okay, and now, sir, you middle player ka na on the cake and count of 3, 2, 1, and go! Hey! Everyone, and now you're officially silent ko na ang age. Bawal na mention. Ayan. That is Simon Speaker Tape. I'm together with our best friend, Jollibee. Okay, ako nang gora, sir.
Picture ni Jay.
Okay, wait lang. Sumasagot sila. Okay, and he wants mine. Okay na ba? Group 5 naman, group 5. Group 5. Okay, and he wants mine. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next, Mami Adali. Okay, and he wants mine. Okay, pakipose naman, Waki. Ilabas ang ipin, maliban sa gustiso. Okay, and he wants mine. Happy birthday to you. Okay, next, ang mga tita. Ang wala naman, ang mga wala. Okay. Ay, Loren, ako na lang, ako na. Ako, teacher? Ay, okay. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, group hug. Group hug. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next. Si Nanay Tanay. Okay, guys, takal na natin sa Jollibee.
Poko lang. Ah, na. Ito labot nanay. Poko na na.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay. Bakit boss? Bakit naman? Rocky, 3, 2, 1, Rocky! Okay na yung dance nanay. Hindi lang kita.
Dance nanay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, Rocky! Okay, thank you so much. Okay,
friends.
next naman, dali nga table. Okay, dali naman yung table. Ay, ano ka na yun? Ano ka na yun? Wow! Fred, hindi na siya. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Look at the camera. 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, go pa. Go pa. Go pa naman. Go pa. There, 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, guys. Pagdali naman yung table. Pagdali naman yung table. So, okay guys, look at the camera. Ay, para naman sa video. Para naman sa... Ay! Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, next naman, Rocky, pose. And 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, next! Tanan, kanto sa tubang. Start by ka na na, Jollibee. Start by ka na, Jollibee. Tanan, kanto sa tubang. Okay, kung ako na Jollibee. Kung pa. Ayan. Ay, hindi siya. Diabetic na sa third. Diabetic. Okay, guys. Look at the camera. 3, 2, 1, smile! Okay, bakit po? Wacky. Okay, yan. 3, 2, 1, Wacky! Okay, mag-greet kita sa happy birthday guys. Wait lang guys. Bahala kita sa tama. Sila music mo, babe. Okay, batayin lang kita guys sa video. Mag-try mo. Patayin kita sa video and greet kita na. I-greet natin si Sir Sam. Happy birthday, Sir Kent or Kent na lang. And sa last part, let's wave our hands and say, yay! Okay. Sinabi na iba yung tanan. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, and count of 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
Oh, grabe. May pa mo paniwala yung mga tumok. Wala ka. Ano na? Di ba mo pa na sa style? Okay, yan. 3, 2, dapat energy, high energy dapat. Kung ano ka ginaka-high ang energy. Okay, yan. Alay, di ba? Okay, yan. 3, 2, 1. Alright, thank you so much everyone. And of course, thank you. Oh, naalala. Alright, thank you so much, Joey. Okay, na pa. Alright, so gusto mo mag-picture together with our best friend Jollibee. Guys, take time with us. Peace out.
Okay.
Because we having 5 minutes left together with our best friend Jollibee.
Nga para bang nurse lang siya na elder lang siya.
Atong nurse, oh.
Ay, Jollibee, alalay si nanay sa likod. Alalay lang, yes. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, smile. Again guys, kung sino pa gusto ko comment together with our best friend Jollibee, feel free lang guys mag-ganto sa ato. Wow. Jollibee, wag yan, marupok yan. Sabi niya marupok ka. Okay, solo na lang si Sir. Solo. Hello, nasungkot pa. Ano?
Why? Pakuha. Why pakuha? Nakalin na sila.
Up. Hey. Alright, thank you so much, Jollibee, for dropping by. As much as we would like to spend more time with him, Jollibee has to go and make other children or people happy as well. Okay naman guys, let us all wave our hands and say goodbye, Jollibee. Paalam!
Bye-bye!
And of course guys, it has been a jolly day meeting you and all friends alike. This jolly note party of Sir Ken is not be as meaningful without your presence. On behalf of Mommy Girl, thank you so much for choosing Jollibee Filipino Drive requesting part of Sir Ken, the birthday celebration. Again guys, I'm your host, Kuya Dan. And together with me is Ate Abby. Na nagsasabing bye for now. Thank you so much guys and halong sa pagbuhay. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Ay, the rest of your day. Thank you so much guys.